Guys, today I discuss about novel Wuthering Heights. Introduction to all characters. First, Heathcliff, an orphan brought to life at Wuthering Heights by Earnshaw. Heathcliff falls into an instant, unbreakable love with Mr. Earnshaw, daughter Catherine after Mr. Earnshaw dies. His resentful son Hindley abuses Heathcliff and treats him as a servant. Because of her desire for social prominence, Catherine marries Edgar Linton. Instant to Heathcliff, Heathcliff's humiliation and mystery promote him to spend most of the rest of the life seeking revenge on Hindley, his beloved Catherine, and their respective children. A powerful friend and often the cruel man, Heathcliff accused a fortune and issues his extraordinary powers to will acquire both Wuthering Heights and Thrushcross Green, a state of Edgar Linton. Second character, Catherine, the daughter of Mr. Earnshaw and his wife. Catherine falls powerfully in love with Heathcliff, the orphan Mr. Earnshaw brings home from Liverpool. Catherine loves Heathcliff intensely that she claims they are the same person. However, her desire for social advancement motivates her to marry Edgar Linton instead. Catherine is free-spirited, beautiful, spoiled, and often arrogant. She is given to fits to temper, and she is torn between her wild passion for Heathcliff and her social ambition. She brings misery to both of the men who love her. Third, and Catherine accurately describes his a handsome, pleasant to be with, cheerful and rich. Fourth character, Nellie. Nellie, known formally as Ellie, serves as the chief narrator of Wuthering Heights, a sensible, intelligent, and compassionate woman. She grieves essentially alongside Hindley and Catherine Earnshaw and is deeply involved in the story she tells. She has strong feelings for the characters in her story, and these feelings complicate her narration. Character, young Catherine. For clarity's sake, this Edgar Linton and the first Catherine as young Catherine. The first Catherine being her life of Catherine Earnshaw and ends it as a Catherine Linton. Her daughters being a Catherine Linton, and assuming that she marries her turn after the ends of the story goes on between Catherine Earnshaw. 7 character, Hurton Earnshaw, the son of Hindley and Frances Earnshaw. Hurton is Catherine's nephew. After Hindley's death, Hindley assumes custody of Hurton and raises him as uneducated field worker, just a Hindley and alone to Heathcliff himself. 8th character, Linton Heathcliff. Heathcliff, son by Isabella V. Sibling, demanding and constantly ill. Linton is raised in London by his mother and does not meet his father until he is 13-year-old, when he goes to live with him after his mother's death. 9 character, Hindley Earnshaw. Catherine's brother and Mr. Earnshaw sons Hindley resents it when Heathcliff is brought to live at Wuthering Heights after his father dies and he inherits the estate. Hindley begins to abuse the young Heathcliff, terminating his education and forcing him to work in the field. When Hindley's wife France died shortly After giving birth to their son Hatton, he lapses into alcoholism and dissipation. Isabella, Edgar Linton's sister, who falls in love with Heathcliff and marries him. He sees Heathcliff as a romantic figure, like a character in a novel. Ultimately, she ruins her life off by falling in love with him. He never returns her feelings and treats as a mere tool in a quest for revenge on the Linton family. Next character, Mr. Earnshaw, Catherine and Hindley's father. Mr. Earnshaw adopts Heathcliff and brings him to live at Wuthering Heights. Mr. Earnshaw prefers Heathcliff to Hindley, but nevertheless bequeaths Wuthering Heights in Hindley when he dies. Next character, Mrs. Earnshaw, Catherine and Hindley's mother, who neither likes nor trusts the orphan Heathcliff when he brought life to her house. He dies shortly after Heathcliff's arrival at the Wuthering Heights. Next character, French Earnshaw, Hindley's simpering, silly wife, who treats Heathcliff cruelly. She dies shortly after giving birth to her. Next character, Mr. Linton, Edgar and Isabella's father, and the proprietor of Thrushcross Grange. When Heathcliff and Catherine are children, as established member of the gentry. He rise of sons and daughters to well-mannered young people. Next character, Mrs. Linton. Mr. Linton's somewhat snobbish wife, who does not like Heathcliff to be allowed near her children. Edgar and Isabella, she teaches Catherine to act like a gentlewoman, thereby instilling her with social ambition. Thank you.